Hello everyone, today we're gonna implement BIP110 soft fork on our node. So I'm just gonna show you how simple it is to do. If I can do it, you can do it too. So right now, if you look down there, you'll see the version of the Bitcoin I'm running. So this is version 29.3 .NOT. So that's the latest version for Bitcoin not at the moment. So this version over here currently holds the um, it has the BIP110 software in it. So, but right now, like I'm gonna show you how you can implement it very easily using mynode. So you will need mynode to do that. So obviously, so this is for the mynode software implementation. You can also use Umbro or anything like Start9 to do the same thing with Bitcoin Node. So quickly, so what we do, we go down here. So you go down to settings. So once you get to settings down here, and you click on it, and you go, it's gonna redirect you to this page over here. So that's page you get to setting page, and then we're gonna go all the way down to Bitcoin sections for where it says Bitcoin custom Bitcoin version, right? So if you go all the way from the top, you go down, you'll see the Bitcoin uh, title here, and then you go all a little bit down more, and you will be able to select the custom version of the Bitcoin you want to run. Okay, so this is the version here. This says Bitcoin Nodes plus BIP110. Okay, so the current version, the latest version is V29.3 plus V04.1. Okay, so click that and then say install. Click install. So I already have it installed, so no need to click on it again. But if I were to, if it was the first time I wanted to implement that to have BIP110, then I would just click on install. It would just send me, it would just restart the node and then have everything up and running, a fresh new version with the soft fork implemented on it. So running the new set of rules. Uh, no, not necessarily new set of rules, but it's just stating all the spams, right? More of a restrictions on spam. What is spam? What is like real, okay, real Bitcoin transactions and all that. So this is the revolution, in my opinion. You may not like that. You may not want to do like run a node, but it's the user's choice. If somebody think, okay, I want Bitcoin to be money, only this is what we believe in, and then you have the choice. And if you think, okay, I don't care, I just you're gonna stay with Bitcoin Core versions, that's totally up to you. So everybody has a choice with Bitcoin, right? So you have all the versions you wanna choose. You can go. We see the default Bitcoin Core. That's fine, right? That's cool, right? And there's all versions, right? So you can choose who you wanna, like what you want Bitcoin to be for you. For me, it is money. It's not you know a pub. It's not a place where you just come and dump all your spams and all your scam stuff, right? So this is money to we're here to fix the money. We're not here to fix, you know, spam and fixing JPEGs and stuff like that. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoy. This was Spy Cover, and I'll see you again in the next.